Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this anime face edit in Picsart. So select your picture and then just go to stickers and search anime face, and you're just going to choose one that you think suits the picture the best. So I'm actually going to just use this one just because it's only the face and the neck isn't there. But if the neck is shown, make sure you erase it. So for instance, if you use this one, you have to erase like the part of the neck. I'm just going to adjust it first. You can kind of see by like using the opacity where you want to roughly put the picture. So about here, that's going to be a little bit bigger, but that's fine. And I'm going to use the eraser tool to delete parts like this. Oops. I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit more, and I'm also going to adjust the picture slightly again. So I'm just going to adjust it again. Maybe put it just a little bit sideways. The head's a little bit big still, so if you want, you can just delete the whole neck too and just leave just the face like so the face proportions won't be that big. Then you can press the check mark button if you are satisfied with it. I'm just doing it quick so it won't look that great. Oops. And after that, you can press apply, and you can also add in some like effects to it just to kind of blend it in more, like add in a filter maybe like so, and just press apply. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.